Hello, my YouTube friends. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the Madhouse. Okie dokie. So what are we doing today? We're going to make what shall we make today? I'll tell you what. Let's make a ring. This is a Spanish one. 50 pesetas. Quite sexy, isn't it? A bit like me, I'm quite sexy. Right. Let's bang a hole in it. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch punch because it's quite a big coin. At least I remember to put the coin in today. Hope it all well. So, Alan, you want to know what I look like, dear? Well, I don't know how I could do that because because obviously I'm filming the Crazy Show. But you know Pierce Brosnan, you know what he looks like? Well, I don't look nothing like him. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. I'm a bit embarrassed to show who I am. If I was to do that, I'd have thousands of women queuing up down the street, you know? Because it's a bit weird when you're too gorgeous. I can't wait for the comments on this one. There's bound to be a couple of sad people giving me some shit, but that's okay. Right. Yeah, Alan, I'll think about it, man. Well, what do you look like? Alan, come on, send me a photograph of yourself. Preferably with a big leggy blonde on your arm. And with a big smile on your face. It's crazy. Yeah, I'll sort something out for you, Alan. But I think you should do it first, you know? If I could see you, I'll tell you what, you could see me. But don't let your wife see it because she might leave you for me. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You're just cleaning up that inside edge. I'd like to thank my late subscribers for hitting that little button. Cost you nothing. And it helps me out. If you've got any ideas, you can leave them in the comments, something you'd like me to do. Like stop filming or bugger off. Or if there's anything you'd like me to make, a certain type of coin, or, you know, drop a comment. And I'll gladly help you out. Vivi. My pussycat Vivi. She's a good girl though, she never jumps on the table. So I don't suppose you're ever going to get to see her. Right, that is pretty damn good. A bit more this side. Right, there you go. Not much going on that side, is there? But we'll have this side, sunny side up on the ring. Right, now we want to show it some love with Bernie, the fire starter. Where's Jaws? I need Jaws. There he is. Yes, +3 here this morning. Well, this morning, it's afternoon at the moment. Oh, no rain, a bit cloudy. I've never known anything like it in Helsinki. This time of the year, it's usually tons of snow. I ain't complaining though. I can't wait for the summer to get my shorts on. That also sends the women crazy. Right. Let's dry it off. Right, we need one of these. It's a 17-degree folding die. And we're going to go with this sunny side up on the ring, so that goes face down. I'll have to use 2 dies for this one. It's a weird size coin. Everything's a bit weird today. Right, let's go over to the one and only Big Bad Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Right, it's just going to behave itself. Oh la la, cha cha cha. 1, 2. Right, let's try this one. Yep. Gary, if you're watching this, here's my email. It's this is one word, your finger, my ring, at proton, that's PROTON.ME. So send me your address if you want, and I'll post some coins off to you, probably tomorrow or Friday. Unless you want me to send them to your PO box. Right, let's break out Sandy. You just want to clean up that edge. And then it's quite a big coin this, so I better show it a bit more love with Bernie. There you go. No cracks or anything forming there. That's pretty hot. Okie dokie. Let's dry the baby off and go over to Spike. Another piece of new kitchen roll. Hey, I'm going crazy today, aren't I? Right. This is Spike, and he stretches your ring. I'm never going to stop laughing at that. If I do coin rings for another 20 years, I'll still be laughing. Now, is that sad or not? I don't think it's sad at all. If you can't laugh, you're a sad person. How's it looking? See, there's a bit of a bow in it. I'm going to get that out. Get it out! Yeah, I was a bit sick of not getting my bits and pieces to start making these new pendants. I've gone back to the good old US of A. So I ordered some more told them just to refund my money. Oh, it's not a lot of money, you know. I needed some ball bearings, a 2-inch one and an 1.5-inch one. What's it looking like? Yeah, pretty good. Okie dokie. Let's warm it up again. I've lost drawers again. And my tables are so clean. There it is. That's the trouble. I tried it everywhere up. I can't find Jack. Oh, there's hardly anything on my table. Just the bare necessities of life could come to you. That's hotter than the sun. Right, let's dry it off again. Now we'll go to the bottom end of the spike, to the reduction dies. There's a bit of a lip in there, but we'll get that out at the end. So let's go over to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dies. There's a little bit there. God! The thing with these thick coins, you've got to give them lots of the old one too. Is it level? Is it square? We don't want a wobbly wing, do we? Try saying that 8 times fast. La la, cha cha cha. No, that. Oh, it could go a little bit the other way, I think. There you go. Pretty damn sexy, if you ask me. Right. There's a little bit of a lip in there. See that? You want to cut that out. There's not much in there. It's going to be spring, won't it? Another couple of weeks. The old crocuses are sticking their heads out the ground now, and not in Finland, in the UK they were. I was there for a couple of days. Well, the price of beer's gone up now in the UK. It used to be cheaper in Finland. It's now, what's it, £5? £5.55 for a pint of bitter. It's about the same as Finland now, really. Prices have gone crazy. I just went to our local store in Finland called S Market. I bought some potatoes A couple of packs of sausages, a total of 6 sausages, yeah. Some peas, 2 bags of frozen peas. What else was there? Oh, a carton of pineapple juice. And I think that was it. 35 bloody euros. Jesus, wet, man. I mean, 35 euros. 6 bloody sausages. Oh, I'm moaning again to that bloke who says I'm moaning all the time. Yeah, I'm bloody moaning. Bloody right, I'm moaning. But it's crazy. How do these old people survive this? They just don't, do they? Like I'm stood there and you watch these old people and they're looking, they pick it up and they're looking at the prices and it's bloody terrible, really, man. Right, Kate Bush. She's just back from the salon, looking gorgeous as ever. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. It just cleans it up, takes the fire scale off, makes it look gorgeous. I use this. I stand in front of the mirror with Kate Bush whirling around my head and makes me look rather good. A bit more volume, shall we? This cleans up that edge that I just took out as well. Well, what we're going to do with this one. Now this, I quite like this as it is. This is the Edwin look. Could do with a bit more, touch more there. Yeah, this is what I call the Edwin look. It's not highly polished. It's just like a matte or whatever you want to call it. Satin finish. It's probably a better word for it. But I'm not going to polish this. If you wanted this polish, I'd polish it for you. But that's pretty damn sexy, don't you think so? 1957. So I'm going to keep it like this. If you wanted this ring polished, I'd polish it for you. It'd be in my shop within a day or two. And that's why I use the kitchen roll. Saves you losing the detail on the inside of the ring. You ain't going to see it, but at least you know it's there. Fits my little finger quite nicely. Yeah, I'll keep it as it is. What size we got? We've got a size. EU size is a size 70 and a half, 70 and 3/4. I can make it bigger for you though. US size, we've got a size 13 and 3/4. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget there's a little button there. Hit it, come on. You're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Blah de blah de blah. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. So bye bye.